Hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you how to connect a brushless motor to a car. See what I got here. And I've actually shown you it is much similar except for no blue thing there. Yeah, showing you how to put an RC540 attached to a off-road truck, or you can do it to cars or anything, basically. And yeah, okay, now I'll show you. Okay, first, obviously, I'm going to place the brushless motor in the correct spot, like so. And then connect blue to blue, red to red, and black to black, because there's three colours if you have a brushless and a fan. Brushless and a fan powered ESC. So show you how to do that. Okay, so I've connected it, and if I connected a battery, I'm pretty sure it will turn on. So I'll just get a battery, connect it up. Okay, so you can hear it. And yeah, the reason I have this pulled apart already is because I need to know these. So I've shredded this in this one I shredded a month of having it, and this one I shredded about 10 minutes after I put it in, which is pretty shit. Then I got a steel version, but that had 64 teeth, and this is only a 48 tooth. And this mini series has only like 14 teeth and doesn't have enough teeth to fit the steel. So tonight I will have that come, and so will I have my brushless brush. I'm going to take this out and put it in my new HSP Flying Fish drift car, which is going to be pretty awesome. And yeah, okay, so pull that back out. Okay. So, got that out. Now I'll attach for the first time an RC540 motor. See, red to red. And black to black. Yeah. Pretty loose, so that won't fit. Now I'll turn it on. Yeah. This works. Which I never tried before. So yeah. Thanks for watching.